Alright, GM guys, today I'm going to show you how you can install your Solflare wallet extension or literally any wallet extension into your Windows PC. So today we're installing the Solflare wallet extension, alright? So I'm going to search Solflare extension and it pops up. Click on that. And if you're using Bing, this is what you should see. But if you're using Google Chrome or any other browser on Windows, you will see something similar to this, alright? So click on the Solflare wallet from the Chrome Web Store, and it should take you to a page like this. Exactly. So when you do that, click on Get or Add to Chrome, whatever you see in there. Add extension, and as you can see, it's already downloading. Alright, it should automatically open this page when you're done downloading the extension. So if you already have a wallet that you want to import, you click on I already have a wallet. And if this is your first time, you do the whole I need a new wallet. But since we already have a wallet, I will click on this and I will put my seed phrase. Then you click on continue, create a password, and you're done. Just like that, you've imported your Solflare wallet. So remember to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so I can get more updates. And if you have any question, ask it in the comments below. See ya.